Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to get App Store on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you don't find the App Store here, then how we can get it? So let's crack it. First we just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the screen time. Now from here scroll down a little bit and navigate to the content and privacy restriction. Now from here you have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchase. Now from here you have to tap on installing apps. Now from here change this to allow. Now if you go back, most probably you can see the App Store is right now available. That is the first step. After trying with the first step, if you don't find it, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, do like this. Now search here for App Store. You can search for App Store. Over here you can see this is the App Store. So just press it and you have to bring it down over here like this. Now you can keep it. Right? You'll be able to find the App Store, and this is what you have to do. So these are the two steps, and most probably that's going to help you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.